Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Today we're tackling a frustrating Roblox error that prevents the game from applying important settings, failed to download or apply critical settings. If you're seeing this message when trying to play Roblox, I've got you covered with these proven solutions. Let's start with the most common and effective fixes. This error typically relates to connection issues, firewall settings, or corrupted game files. First, let's try the simplest solution: restart your computer and router. Completely shut down your computer and unplug your router from power for 30 seconds. This clears temporary network issues that might be preventing Roblox from applying settings properly. If that doesn't work, let's check your firewall and antivirus settings. Sometimes security software can block Roblox's connection. Temporarily disable your antivirus and firewall. Remember to re-enable them later, then try launching Roblox again. If it works, you'll need to add Roblox to your security software's exception list. Now, let's clear Roblox's temporary files. Press Windows key +R, type %temp% and press Enter. Delete any files and folders related to Roblox in this temporary folder. Don't worry, these are just temporary files that will be recreated when you launch the game. Next, let's try flushing your DNS cache. Press Windows key, type CMD, right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Type IP protocol configuration/flushdns and press Enter. Then restart your computer and try Roblox again. If you're still getting the error, let's check your host's file. Sometimes modifications here can block Roblox. Press Windows key, type Notepad, right-click it and select Run as Administrator. Open C:/Windows/system32/drivers/etc/hosts and look for any lines containing Roblox. If you find any, add a hashtag at the beginning to disable them. For persistent issues, try changing your DNS servers. Go to Network Settings, change Adapter Options, right-click your connection, Properties, Internet Protocol version 4, use the following DNS servers: 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4, Google DNS. As a last resort, you might need to reinstall Roblox. First, uninstall through Control Panel, then delete any remaining Roblox folders and program files and app data. Download a fresh installer from the official Roblox website and install again. I know how frustrating this error can be when you're trying to enjoy Roblox with friends. One of these solutions should resolve the critical settings issue. For most players, clearing temporary files or checking firewall settings does the trick. If this guide helped you get back to playing Roblox, I'd really appreciate if you could hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming troubleshooting guides. Let me know in the comments which solution worked for you. Thanks for watching.